Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, with another Take a Minute to Get It topic. Removing old popcorn ceilings and replacing with knockdown texture is one of the most popular home improvements we perform. In most cases, it's a simple removal of the old popcorn texture, application of the knockdown, and painting. Although the process is pretty straightforward, there are some things you need to be aware of that could happen, which could complicate the process and add to the final price of the project. Sometimes the old popcorn texture will not come off because it's been painted or the area right under the texture has been repaired in the past and has been sealed. In this instance, we have no choice but to sand the surface and then apply a skim coat of joint compound over the entire surface so that we can start with a flat surface. This is a lot of work and can easily add 1 to 2 days to the project. Since we have to mask off all the walls and floors of a room where we are removing popcorn texture, that means that we have to tape the plastic to the walls and floors. If the existing paint on the walls was not properly applied, then there's a good chance that when we pull the tape off the wall, it could yank some of the wall paint. This is not anything we can control since we have no idea of what the condition of the wall paint is before we get started. The same thing can happen when pulling tape off of the wood floors. If the clear finish on the wood floor has deteriorated from foot traffic, then there's a chance the tape can pull some of the remaining finish and then make it look like the stain is missing. Once again, there's not too much we can do about this situation. One thing we have started doing is using a special tape made for wood floors. Another thing to keep in mind is that as much as we mask the walls and floors, dust will still make its way onto the floors and horizontal surfaces. We will cover furniture and appliances, but we just cannot guarantee that dust will not make its way onto those surfaces. We started using air filters to help capture some of this dust, and the crews swear they help. My suggestion is to be prepared to do a deep cleaning and change your air filter from the HVAC system once we're done. Last thing to keep in mind is that if you have any kind of stress cracks in the ceilings that we repair as part of the popcorn removal project, we cannot guarantee they won't come back. There's always a root cause to those cracks, and if not addressed prior to us showing up, then they will come back after we're done. What you see when we are completed is what you should see in the future unless something causes the damage again. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to working with you on your next project.